What if I told you 92% of affiliate emails get instantly deleted, but with one storytelling trick, you can make readers beg to click your links? Hi, I'm Jay, and today I'm exposing the secret weapon top affiliates use to turn snooze-worthy emails into addictive, story-driven sales machines. Even better, I'll show you how to do it for free using a tool. My tool right now that you're looking at, it's on instantsalesfunnels.com, and it's going to write these emails for you in 10 seconds flat. And I'm going to show you a quick product demo with it right now, show you how to use it, write a quick affiliate email in seconds, and you can check this out for yourself at your convenience. But here we go. This is the product name and details. You're going to enter your affiliate program details, hit submit, and watch your output appear below. I've got a product called Mitolin in here. It's a weight loss product from ClickBank. I think it's a top-selling product on the ClickBank marketplace right now for this demonstration purposes. And what we're going to do is hit where it says product name and details. I'm writing a short description about what I'm doing here. And we're going to say, write an email selling Mitolin, a weight loss product, and tell a great story. Pretty simple, pretty cut and dry. Right here, you can put your affiliate link in. I'm just using my website as an example. You can put anything in here. If you don't want to use an affiliate link, you can just put any link in there and just delete it. That's fine. But if you want your affiliate link in here, put that there, and it'll show you exactly where to put it in your emails. Email goal is to persuade readers to buy Mitolin. And here's what it came up with. Subject, the secret weapon discovered for weight loss. Hey there, let me take you back to a chilly November evening just a few years ago. Picture this, I was bundled up on the couch, a bowl of ice cream in one hand and a remote in the other. The TV flickered with images of people living their best lives, but all I could think about was how I felt trapped in my own body. I had tried every fad diet, every trendy workout, and yet there I was, still trapped in a cycle of disappointment. I was convinced that losing weight was a battle I was destined to lose. But one night, while scrolling through my phone, I stumbled upon a story that changed everything. It was a testimonial about a product called Mitolin. A woman just like me shared her journey of transformation. She spoke of feeling invisible, of hiding behind oversized clothes, and of finally discovering a solution that worked. I was skeptical, but something about her story resonated with me. Maybe it was the glimmer of hope in her words or the spark of determination in her eyes. I clicked the link and found myself diving deeper into the world of Mitolin. This wasn't just another weight loss gimmick. It was a carefully crafted formula designed to boost metabolism, suppress appetite, and energize your body. I decided to give it a shot, driven by the desire to reclaim my life. Fast forward a few months, and I was no longer that person on the couch. I felt alive, vibrant, and full of energy. The weight melted away. But more importantly, I regained my confidence. I could wear what I wanted, go out without feeling self-conscious, and most importantly, I felt like I was finally in control. Now I want you to experience this transformation for yourself. If you're tired of feeling stuck, if you're ready to take that leap, I urge you to try Mitolin. Click here, and then it's got your affiliate link, to discover the secret that helped me and countless others turn our lives around. Don't let another day go by feeling defeated. Join me on this journey, and let's make the next chapter of your story one of triumph. To your success, put your name. And it's got a PS here. Remember, every great story is a turning point. Let this be yours. Click here to start your transformation. So there you go. You got a great storytelling email in seconds. All you got to do, copy the email itself, go paste it in your email autoresponder, hit or broadcast it out to your list, and you're good to go. You can keep coming back and using this over and over again for free. Or I also got an excellent tool right here that's going to create 7 days of these for you. It's going to create, if you like that, it's a really good tool, this one's going to create 7 days of these. So you can do it all at once. You're going to get that for free. You're going to get a 1-hour video how to create undetectable AI content right here. You're going to also get my done-for-you email sequences for affiliate marketing. I've already done them. You're going to get a big list of those. You can, if you're promoting any of my products, I've probably created a couple hundred of them where I've got full 7-day series. You're going to get that. You're also going to get my top secret ChatGPT prompt vault that prints money on demand. You're going to get my actual prompts. So it's very powerful, and you can plug these into whatever AI that you're using, ChatGPT, Gemini, and use it for your own business. So come on and check that out. That's an upgrade to my free affiliate generator tool I'm showing you right here. But let's go back here real quick. And so this is it right here. You can use this for anything. I want to just make a few points before I end this video. You can use this not only for affiliate, you can use this for anything for your business. If you got a local business, you can use this for basically anything. It's going to tell a story, keep people engaged, keep them reading your emails. It don't sound like you're selling them. You're telling them a story. You're putting yourself in their shoes and how your product's going to solve, your service or product's going to solve their particular, whatever problem they are facing. As you can see in that email that I created, though. But we're going to go through this one more time. Watch this, how easy this is. Create a story telling email about, we'll use Aweber as an example. Email software. And how it improved my business. Affiliate link. Like I said, you can put anything in here. Email goal to promote. Well, let's keep it really simple for this demo. You can put anything in here, and there it goes. It already made your email for you. The secret weapon that transformed my business overnight. And then also up here, what I just showed you, I've got an actual email title generator prompt as well. So this helps get these titles a little better. But here we go. This is about Aweber. Create a storytelling email about Aweber email software and how it improved my business. Dear friend, let me take you back to a chilly evening last winter. I was sitting at my desk, staring at my computer screen, feeling the weight of uncertainty pressing down on me. Every time I hit send, I held my breath, praying that my message would reach the right people. That one fateful day, I stumbled upon a game changer, Aweber, and then it goes into a story. So it's telling you, it's telling a story. So it's telling my story to people, putting, my story in, where they can relate into their own shoes, where it doesn't seem like a hard sell. It's entertaining, and it gets the click, and ultimately it leads over to whatever you're promoting, and gets the sale, drives the traffic, and puts money in your bank account. So this is the tool over here. Awesome tool. It took me a long time to put this together. But come on over and check it out. Use it. It is free. Come on over and check this out. It can really help your business. It can, at the very least, it can save you a lot of time so you ain't got to write these yourself. I've got an expert prompt built into this. So that's why it's coming up with a really good storytelling emails every time I put just a little bit of info in. And like I said, copy them, paste them in your favorite autoresponder, send them out, and you can have a 7-day email in literally probably the time it takes you to copy and paste these, create them, under an hour. You can have 7 days set up in your own autoresponder, ready to go out promoting whatever product or service that you're promoting to your list. And if you want it done all at once, save yourself even more time. Like I said, up here, first link here. Come on over, check this out. Let me know where to send it, and I will send it over to you ASAP. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this tool, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.